SEO can take a lot of time, and therefore I bring you my 5 favorite SEO strategies for beginners that bring great results without spending too much time. Hey, what's up marketers? Eduard Dziak here from b2bdigitalmarketers.com, and I got asked a lot of questions about B2B digital marketing, and today I would like to talk about 5 SEO strategies that are easy to do and bring great results without spending too much time. So the SEO strategy number 1 is get SSL certificate for your domain. Usually if you buy a domain name, you're gonna get it for free for 1 year. But if you are owner of the older website, then you need to buy it. Therefore, I will link in the description my favorite option where I am buying a SSL certificate for my clients or for my website. But what is it and why you need it? SSL or Secure Socket Layer is an encryption-based internet security protocol to protect your website and your users. Therefore, a website needs an SSL certificate to keep user data secure, verify ownership of the website, prevent attackers from creating a fake version of your site, and gain user trust. So this is super important, and I'm still seeing a website without the SSL certificate, even though it's cheap and super important for your website to gain the trust of your users and also the search engines. The next strategy is Content Delivery Network or CDN. A content delivery network is a system of distributed servers around the world that delivers web pages and other web content to a users. And this is based on the geographical location of your user, of the origin of your website, and also on the content delivery server. So that means that the content delivery network copies the pages of website to a network of servers that are distributed at different locations and catching the content of the page. When a user requests a web page that is part of the content delivery network, the CDN will redirect the request from originating site servers to a server in the CDN that is closest to the server and deliver the cache content. And this will result in the faster loading of your web page, therefore a better user experience. And of course, it will help you with your SEO and your ranking. Accelerating websites is extremely important. Faster websites mean satisfied customers. Page speed becomes significant for rankings. And that's why CDN is extremely important for your website. But don't worry, it's not that expensive as you thought. There are actually free and paid option which I like, so I'm gonna put them in the description so you can look at it. The free version should be more than enough for the smaller sites. If you are a bigger site, then you should consider maybe the paid one, but I'll leave it up to you. The third strategy is image optimization. Here we will focus on the 4 important aspects of image optimization, and that is name, the alt attributes, the size, and the lazy load. Let's first look at the name of the picture, as you should always make sure that your picture has a correct name depending on what is actually showing or what about it is. For example, if you have a BMW car model, make sure you name it as precisely as possible, like this: 2018 model BMW 3rd Series 330i xDrive. And this will help search engines understand better what's the picture about and therefore better position it and rank it. This is extremely important, especially if you're having a product, but also for blogs too. The next thing is the alt attributes. The alt attributes works as a text version of the image. So if the image doesn't load, the user can understand the image, and also a search engine as well. To give you an idea, let's use the previous picture of the BMW where the alt attributes will be something like this: blue 2018 BMW 3 Series 300i xDrive, being steady on the white background. Let's move to the size of the picture. Preferably you should use as smallest as possible, as you can like this ease the web page load and therefore make it faster. I usually aim for less than 40 kilobytes for blog pictures, 70 kilobytes for the featured pictures, and 100 kilobytes for product pictures, but of course it can differ. And the last thing in image optimization is lazy load. What it does is that if your picture is not visible on your screen, it doesn't load. Therefore, it will significantly decrease the load of your website and therefore increase the speed. Alright, moving on. The fourth thing is use caching plugin for your website. A caching plugin helps you to store a frequently accessed data from your website and serve it to your visitors to speed up your page load. How caching plugin does it is that create a static version of your web page that it delivers to your visitors. This means that when a visitor returns to your site to view it again, they will see a cached version. For you to better understand it, let me use an analogy from the sideways directory. It's like your fridge. You don't go to the store to buy a milk for your coffee, go back later for some butter for your toast, then go back for some milk for your cereal. Your fridge is the cache and your store is the web server. And before we move on, please subscribe for my YouTube channel, like this video if you like it, and put in the comments what's your number one strategy for SEO that makes a huge impact for your website. Alright, and the last SEO strategy is good quality content first, link building second. Content is king. You might already heard about it, but before it becomes a king, it must learn how it becomes a good king. What I mean by that is that you have to learn how to produce a good quality content before you do anything else. You have to learn how to structure it, you have to learn how to find good resources, and many more things. Because once you learn how to produce a good quality content, then you can start link building. And actually, in many instances, people will start reaching out by themselves. For example, I have websites and organizations reaching out to me, exchange links every single week. And many of them are good quality with high page rank. PageRank helps search engines to understand the quality of the content. And to do this, their systems are designed to identify signals that can help determine which pages demonstrate expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness on the given topic. They look for sites that many users seem to value for similar queries. For example, if other prominent websites link to the page what is known as a PageRank, that has proven to be a good sign that the information is well trusted. Alright, that is all from me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for my YouTube channel and like this video if you like it, and leave the comment below what's your number one SEO strategy to improve your ranking.